Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Oscar and I'm bringing you guys another video. This is day number 2 of Kelly Park Week, and tomorrow is the big day, which is Kelly Park in San Jose. I went there about probably 4 years ago for my first time, and ever since then I have not missed one show. Actually, I take that back. I missed last year because I was getting married almost on the same day of Kelly Park, so scratch that. But this year we're coming back and we're setting up a booth for the first time, so that's very exciting for me. I'm kind of nervous, but I know it's gonna be a good experience for me. Hopefully a lot of people come out and support my channel, support the brand that I'm trying to build. I would highly appreciate it if you do. If you can't make it out to San Jose, you can always check out my website, kforsyndicate.com, and order a t-shirt from there. But with that being said, let me go ahead and explain to you about the show that we're going today. This is taking place in Gilroy, California, and it is called Red Barn Swap Meet. The name itself explains everything. It's not really a show. It's just a lot of people coming together to sell stuff, mostly vintage stuff. There's some bus parts, and then you have people selling a lot of rusty stuff. And I mean, the community loves that stuff, so I can't really hate on it. I usually don't buy much stuff, but I always like going out there and checking it out, and of course bring you guys with me to see what this whole swap meet is about. I mean, if you are building a bus, if you're building a bug, you definitely have to check out Red Barn. And this is every year, is the day before Kelly Park. And as you guys seen, I uploaded another video, and that was yesterday, which took place in Mountain View at a private collection owned by Mark Merrill. I was able to talk to some people there, get some more knowledge about Volkswagens, which was a really good time, and you can't beat it. We got free beer and free food. So thank you guys so much for putting that show together yesterday. But let's go ahead and get this day started and head over to Gilroy, California. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we just made it to Red Barn, and here's the parking lot full of Volkswagens, and we need to hurry up because a lot of people are packing up, getting ready to go home. A lot of these people show up to Kelly Park too, so I'm sure they want to go home and get some rest before the big show tomorrow. But let's go ahead and get to walking. See, people are starting to pack up, getting ready to go home. Definitely want to check out that mobile service school bus over there.
So he's got a in front of her.
You say you want to get drinks though?
We gotta indulge in what we do. All right, brother, take care of yourself.
I've got towels. Because I like to have my regular, beach towels or whatnot to shower with.
I'd have to get rid of a lot of shit though. Nah.
But yeah, it's not.
My buddies had one friend like, hey, drive a gas car,
There was
just
another
tell
one
me where
where
to
it
go.
like kicked up right here. Had the little flip thing.
Just that Hummer.
Yeah.
Wait.
I'm calling
Music.
Oh, really? Yeah.
I called John back and he was like, how long did it take you? And I was like, I did it in 18 hours. And he's like, fuck. He's like, you want a job?
You did about 6 feet.
Say bye, guys. So now,
Amanda wanted to get some sugar in her system. Let's go ahead and keep walking.
I was not sure how it was going to go.
So I knew it would go well because I know Sophie is
This one, and these I didn't polish. These I did. You see these two? I polished the lip part. It's to show that's just the clear coat that needs to be cleaned off. You know. So you put Jasco on them, take off the clear coat, and then you polish them. There's no damage on the rim.
I'm almost a,
That's why I verified that that was 165.
I'm almost a doctor.
Yeah. That's why I verified. Because I saw it.
Look at this guy. He's not here today. Oh, he's over there. What's up, buddy?
How are you? You're late.
I am very late. I agree. Yeah, now probably like 20 minutes. 20 minutes ago. Yeah. I can see a lot of people packing up and getting ready to go home. So.
But it's not like
You're going tomorrow.
You'll be there tomorrow as well? I'll be there early.
so we're up there.
There you go.
That's the way to do it. Yeah, you do.
See you tomorrow.
They're doing something to tell us.
I tried my hardest not to. I know I'm one of those. It was like, here, let me help you put this stuff away. And I'm like, I got a system. Otherwise. Yes.
No, it shows interest. So I think it really helps sell the show. I love questions though because it shows interest. Yeah, that's how you get better.
You up on knitting?
Oh wow. Yeah, I didn't know that. Is it like an extra like half a bucks? Or
Yeah.
Hey, how are you? Pretty good. Where are you guys coming from?
Fresno. Yeah, we seen you at Sacramento.
Oh.
Dutch Saunders.
What was your name again?
Todd.
Todd? Oscar. Nice to meet you.
My wife.
My wife, Amanda.
Joanne.
Are you guys going to be there at Kelly Park tomorrow? You guys bringing that?
No.
That's not ours. We just came in the car. We just came to sell stuff.
A lot of stuff, huh? How long have you been collecting these? Wow.
Some of this is my original collection. Some of it's bought for sale. So some of it's for me.
If the price is right. There you go. That's awesome. Well, see you guys tomorrow. Take care. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good.
Good. You gonna be next weekend
Where?
at Madera?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah, I'll be there.
All right. Look forward to it. Thank you.
No wife this time?
Dana, no, she's taking care of the house, but she will be at the show.
Tomorrow.
No,
Next week.
Oh, okay.
Next weekend.
Are you showing up tomorrow too at
Yeah, I'll
Kelly
be at
Park?
Kelly Park. Yeah, sure. You guys live up here or?
San Jose.
So Kelly Park's our,
Yeah, it's your backyard.
Yep.
Shit.
Finally.
We enjoy it. Take care.
See you.
Helping her with? I think it's weird.
So there's only one person up here that we have to compete against. There's no competition. It's Peninsula. They hate when we come over.
Yeah, I gotta keep those R's up. Yeah, you do. I've learned. I just got a new motor too, and it's like relearning the whole thing again. Like, oh, send it. Thank you. No problem.
Mm-hmm.
They're missing stuff though? Or are they like
They're just blocks, engine blocks. over here.
The carburetors are good working with that. $5 grand on this car. And then the radiators and everything else, they all
No music.
Make it look like completely new tires. We took it all the way down and repainted them. It's like, not that hard. Not more fresh. You take a little bit of TLC to install them. Oh, you bought it? Commission, neighbor, commission, neighbor. I sold my I said neighbor, commission.
Maybe the sounds will block each other out.
Wait.